I'm Lily at Circus Brighton, and in this tutorial we're going to be doing the head weave. Which looks really awesome with fire, by the way. I'm sure I'm going to be able to throw in a clip of that because this one just looks so scary with fire. It can actually be really scary to learn it because you're up around your head, you're around your face, which can actually kick in that fear of actually hitting yourself. And we're going to break it down for you so you'll be able to do it because it is a really awesome move and it does look incredible, especially with fire. It's also a really good transition move because you're able to move from the weaves and bring in this middle section. From here you can keep it small, you can make it big. There's loads of different ways of getting in and out of this move, and it's a really nice move and it looks, as I said before, really awesome with fire. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing basically what we did in corkscrew, which is chasing 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, but you're going to be doing it instead of in horizontal plane, you're going to be doing it in front and behind. So technically, I mean, if you wanted to try, you could try and do corkscrew and then try and bring it up so that it is in front and behind of you, because it is the same move. You're doing the same timings, it's exactly the same motion with your hands. You just have to adjust the planes so that they are straight rather than horizontal. Otherwise, if you don't want to try it that way, what we're going to do is we're going to be doing it one hand at a time. So you've just got that drop, one in front, one behind, one in front, one behind. Practice that with one hand, then practice, make sure you're going the same way. So if you're going clockwise here, make sure the other hand swoops in at the same, and practice that. You're just doing one circle in front, one behind, one in front, one behind. Practice that so you'll be pushing your ponytail up, if you've got one. Right, now we're going to put it together. Now what you're going to be doing is they're going to be chasing, they're going to be following each other. So as you get started, drop them straight behind you and in front and behind. 1 2. Now as with the corkscrew, the timings is 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Which is easy for me to say. They're going to chase each other and they're going to follow and you're going to drop them behind your head. So my left one is starting. It's going to drop down first. And the other one is just going to follow it. I say just. The other one's going to follow it. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. You can make it as relaxed as you like and keep your shoulders down, or you can make it really tight and keep your hands really close together, and it speeds it up a lot as well if your hands are close together because you haven't got as much time to get it in front and behind of you. But if you keep it as a nice relaxed move, it works really nicely as a transition as you get in. You can do either way. Most people feel a lot more comfortable doing it one way rather than the other, but it's nice to be able to learn it in both directions. And with either way, you're going to lead and drop down straight behind your head. As I said, it works as a really good transition if you're going from forwards to backwards weave. You can bring it up over your head and just give yourself a nice little bit of a break. You can bring it down, bring it up, make it small, make it big. You can extend and then bring it small again. So it adds a really nice dimension to your flow. Now let me know in the comment section down below how you got on, what worked for you, what didn't, and if you need any help, let me know and I will hopefully be able to help you out in the comment section. Also let us know if there are any videos, any moves that you really want to learn, and we will add it to the course for you. Now thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe because it really helps us out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.